one life to live out here in this world, man. If you don't do it right now, then when you gonna do it? If you don't do it for nobody else, make sure you do it for yourself.
If you ain't got nobody to do it for, then do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. And when they start hating on you, tell them thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. If you ain't got nobody to do it for, then do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. And when they start hating on you, tell them thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help.
And what's going on, fam? Welcome back to the channel, man. In today's video, guys, I know y'all seen my community post probably a couple weeks ago. I did get me a Jp23, and I was gonna wait to install it because I wanted to put at least 2 of them in Ghost, and I was gonna save that amp for Ghost. But y'all see Ghost is still in the yard. I'm still waiting on the other guy to come pick it up. I still ain't washed it or nothing. It is what it is, but we ain't talking about Ghost today. Today we talking about the truck. Now, if y'all been watching my channel for a while, this box should be very familiar. This the box that I had the Ford Scott SVR8s in, and I end up selling it, guys. I'm not gonna lie, nothing at all wrong with the box. I just end up selling it because I was planning on going bigger, but plans changed as usual. Y'all see, I'm gonna have to paint it or something, man, because it's scratched up. The stain scratched up, but there's nothing. Long story short, I ended up contacting the guy that I sold it to, asked him was he still using it. He said he never installed it in his own truck, so I ended up getting the box back, guys. We got the original 4.8 box back, tuned to 32 hertz. Y'all see the port right here. And I got 3 American-based 8s. Still got to get the 4th one, but just until I get the 4th one, I got one of the Scott SVR8s in it. It's not hooked up, it's not connected to anything, you're just filling this void. These subs are dual 2s, this one is a dual 4, so it's not hooked up at all. I just got it in there just to, you know, fill this hole. They're wired at like 1.3 ohms, something like that right there. But I'm gonna be getting the 4th one real soon, man. Probably the next week or so. I have the 4th 8, and y'all will be able to see what it sounds like. But I'm still gonna have to get another box made, guys, because this box is definitely too small for those subs. I actually had to open up the cutout, which is the reason why I'm having some air leaks on that sub or whatever, because the cutout was way too small for the American base to even fit. And I had to take the boot off the motor for the sub to fit flush in the box, you know what I'm saying? So that box is too small, but I've been riding with it in the truck for the last week or so, and it sounds good just be with the 3/8. So I mean, it is what it is. We got the amp hooked up. I got a piece of 2x4 back here, holding it right here. So the amp is very steady. And yes, it have a fan, and yes, there is a gap between them, so the fan can breathe and dissipate some heat. But I did some testing. Even though this sub is not hooked up, it still bottom out like crazy, man. It's ridiculous on how a subwoofer ain't even got to be hooked up, bro, and it still bottom out on low notes. And these American basses taking this amp like a champ. I can't wait to get my 4th one. The Jp23, man, I got to say, it's a night and day different from that Pioneer, man. Okay, this is the song we gonna be playing, guys. For anybody that gonna be wondering and what song it is and all that, man, I'm gonna let it scroll across there so y'all see what song I'm playing. Young Sam and Jaden Zoe, When the Sky Fall, and it's rebased or decaf or whatever you want to call it. But being that we got our equalizer right here, guys, we can turn all the vocals off and get straight bass, and pray to God YouTube don't goddamn, and pray to God we still don't get copyrighted. So Without further ado, let's get it. 3/8 on them bitches sound good, y'all. Truck ain't even started up, guys. I ain't even started the truck up. Let me start the truck up, get some more voltage. No electrical upgrades yet. Y'all hear is that Scott sub, man. It can't handle it. So if y'all hear any distortion or bottoming out, it's this dud I got right there. Y'all hear it? It can't keep up with them American bass. So I definitely got to hurry up and get my American bass. That one can't keep up. And it's not even hooked up. And it still can't keep up. Now, before y'all say it ain't doing this and that, keep in mind, guys, it's only 3/8, man. And the other one I got in there, the Scar, before y'all get in the comment section, the Scar ain't even hooked up. I just put it in there to fill that void in the box. That's it. Next song, Chris Parker, man. Y'all know what it is. Let me start the truck back up. We'll start it over. We can turn this up.
You don't get but one life to live out here in this world, man. If you don't do it right now, then when you gonna do it? If you don't do it for nobody else,
Lil'
you
Eight.
do it for yourself.
If you ain't got nobody, do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. And when they start hating on you, tell them thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. If you ain't got nobody, do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. And when they start hating on you, tell them thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Oh damn, did you miss me? Yeah, I know you did. I'm finna put you on game, finna show you kids how to get it right back when you blow that Some smoking. What is that? That's just them undercover haters in the back. They don't smoke for no reason. How about that? This ain't never motivation. I'm trying to help you off your back. I'm trying to get you on your feet. Don't let this game play you weak. You gon' beat the odds. Let them know you can't be beat. Gotta grind hard. Give it everything you got. If you don't do it right now, make sure you do it before you die. Go and kill it. If you ain't got nobody to do it for, then do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. And when they start hating on you, tell them thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. If you ain't got nobody to do it for, then do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. And when they start hating on you, tell them thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help.
Cannot hang. I gotta hurry up. I get my other 8 real fast.
Did you miss me? Yeah, I know you did. I'm finna put you on game, finna show you get it. Show you how to get it right back when you blow that shit. Some smoking, what is that? That's just them undercover haters in the back. They won't smoke for no reason, how about that? This ain't never motivation, I'm tryna help you off your back. I'm tryna put you on your feet, don't let this game play you weak. You gon' beat the odds, let them know you can't be beat. Gotta grind hard, give it everything you got. If you don't do it right now, make sure you do it before you die. Go and get it. If you ain't got nobody to do it for, then do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. And when they start hating on you, tell them thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. If you ain't got nobody to do it for, then do it for yourself. Do it for yourself.
That sound good. I ain't gonna lie. That sound good. And it's only gonna get better once I put that fourth one. Yeah, they ain't even nowhere near one. Yeah, they ain't nowhere near one. But it's only gonna get better once I put that get my fourth one, guys. So y'all stay tuned for that, man. Without further ado, this your boy Bass Addict checking out with another video. We installed the Jp23. We still got some electrical upgrades to do because it's a Korean board amp and I'm running at like 1.3 ohms or something like that right there. Being that I only got 3 ohms hooked up, so we got some upgrades to do, guys, to help that amp wake up a little bit. But for now, I ain't gonna lie, I'm satisfied for now. And that fourth 8 should actually help it a lot. But y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna get this fourth sub and we're gonna get us a more proper box because I got the seat lift and we still got a lot of space we can play with. Y'all see that? It's all the space we got to play with up under there, man. We still got at least 1.5 inches, 2 inches to play with up under that seat. And y'all know when it comes to subwoofers and shit, man, that makes a damn difference. So we got a lot of room to play with. So a proper box, the fourth goddamn sub, and to be an under the seat setup, it's gonna sound damn good. Cause just with 3 of them in this underside box, man, it sounds good, guys. I don't know. I know for a fact videos ain't gonna do it no justice, especially with it being 3.8. It ain't gonna do it no justice, guys. But if you haven't, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, click that notification bell, let somebody know about this channel, guys. And I got some more stuff planned for the damn truck. And y'all go subscribe to my second channel because y'all ain't gonna want to miss this one. I was trying to see if I want to give y'all a hint. Y'all ain't gonna want to miss this one, man. Go subscribe to my second channel, Life with Cars, man. I will leave the link in the bottom of this video, guys. Go subscribe to my second channel because we getting ready to go up on that channel as well, guys. And y'all don't want to miss that content either, man. This your boy Bass Addict checking out with another one, man. Leave a comment below and let me know what y'all think. If y'all got a 4.8 box or something like that for sale, hit me up and maybe we can work something out or something like that right there. If you build boxes and you good at what you do, man, you know what I'm saying, hit me up and maybe we can work something out because we need a box, man. I need a box, man. We are out. Yeah.
I'm bringing that pressure. Whether it wrong or it right. A snake gon' be a snake, whether it dark or it light. A dog gon' be a dog, whether he bark or he bite. I got a nigga in that cell, I pray to y'all he be alright. I'm bringing that pressure. Whether it wrong or it right.